My name is Taiba Hashmani and I'm a third year student at Mehran University Jamshoro. I'm from 15th batch of interns Pakistan. Basically, I was assigned a final challenge of making a website on WordPress. So here it is. It is an e-commerce website. I named it Shopaholic and here is its logo. You can see all the categories in this drop-down menu. Moreover, you can search for any product by its name. This is the navigation bar in which there are 6 main categories. Some have like subcategories too, like in men's portion and women's and in kids portion. It has social icons which link to the social sites of the store and a card which shows all the purchased products. This is a slider which shows the new updates, like we have the spring new collection. Moreover, we have sale which is up to 70% off and the new denim collection of 2020. This is a new stock, like we have a new stock in the women's portion in sunglasses, fragrances, bags and men's jeans. These all are the top seller products. These are the top trends like jumpsuits, new products and watches. These all are the latest products, some beautiful watches. This is the banner which simply shows that there is 70% off on our latest trends with a little description that shows that it is starting from 1st September. These are all the sale products, some shoes and some bags. And last we have a footer which shows the information like the address, the phone number and email address through which you can simply contact. Now let's explore some items. These all are the new in products. Coming to the men's portion, these all are the t-shirts. These are some shirts for men, watches. Now it is the women's portion in which these are the t-shirts for women, shirts for women, jeans, bags. These are the jumpsuits. These all are the sale products with their old price and their new price. This is the kids portion for girls and the kids portion for boys. These all are the accessories which consist of like glasses, rings, hairbands and all this. This is the card portion, like I have added some items already. We can change them, like if I want to delete any item or if I want to decrease the quantity or if I want to increase the quantity, so I can simply click it over here, and if I want to delete any item I will simply click and it will update my card. It is updating. Now the total amount for my products is this, and if I click on proceed to checkout, and it will ask for some information like my first name, my last name, my company name. It is optional. Moreover, it will ask for my country, my address and phone numbers, that all the details that are required for delivery. That's all from my front end. Now coming towards the back end, the admin part, these all are the categories. Basically I have 24 categories right now in my website, but if I want to add any I will simply name the category of my website, the slug, and if I want to edit any current category I will choose it from here, a little description, and I will add an image, and then when I will click simply on add new category it will update my this categories portion. Now coming to the products part, these all are the products that are used in my website. Right now I have 101 items. Moreover, if I want to add any new item I will simply click on add new and give its detail, like in which category I want to add and what is the price, and if I will click on add new it will simply add the new item on my front end too. So this is all from my website. Thank you so much.